Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. I'm so happy to be here this afternoon, and briefly, I'd like to take us on 4 social media softwares or applications that you need to know that will help you boost your business or your person. I'll be talking on LinkedIn. I'll be talking on Google, that's Google Review, Google Map, and I'll also be speaking on Pinterest, and finally, I'll top it up with WhatsApp business. So that's what we're going to do today, and I'll be very fast. But this time around, I like my test to be very practical. So please, if you have your phone, you can bring it up and put it on your data. If you have your laptop, please open it up because we're doing practical. So yes, we are doing practical. You know, there are too many workshops, there are too many talk shops. So today we are in a workshop and we are going to be doing. So I will not be presenting much slides. I'll be doing more of the practical things. So first of all, I want to talk about LinkedIn. LinkedIn. Please go to www.linkedin.com now. www.linkedin.com. 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 You can look at the screen. www.linkedin.com. So many at times, some of us find it difficult to meet some of these companies. You know, the last week I was talking about proposals, and I was smiling because I know what he's saying. So many at times, you may not have the opportunity to even meet the real people that will give you that business because of bureaucracy or men at the gate or secretaries or PAs. But on LinkedIn, you can meet the MDs of multinational one-on-one. I've been privileged to meet the MD of BZ, Nigerian breweries, you can name it, the multinationals on LinkedIn. And I'll show you my own LinkedIn profile so you see. But for this class, I'm opening a fresh LinkedIn for us to see what it looks like. How many of us here are on LinkedIn? How many are on LinkedIn? How many are on LinkedIn? Very few. Okay. So let me just give us a summary of what LinkedIn is all about. LinkedIn is a platform for professionals, for career people, and what it does is it contains profiles of people, profiles of businesses, and the likes. And this helps a transaction between the professional people and the business people. Now, some people are not everybody is wired for business. Some are wired for career. Some people will never do business. It's not a course, but they will never do business. So they have a career path. They want to grow from the ET to lead manager, senior manager, to executive director, to MD. That's their own career path. People like us, we are coming and out. You know, I've worked in a corporate environment. I've worked for 3 multinationals. You know, as an entrepreneur, doing my own thing. But you know, when you're an entrepreneur and you're very good, you get attraction. People will come after you. As I'm talking to you, up till today, I have 3 jobs that are looking at me. One was so tempting that as for Coca-Cola, I almost went for that job. But I said no. I'm building a brand. Yes, they may pay me about 1.5 million every month as salary. Fine. In a month, in a year, I can get 12 million. But I can get own business that can give me 15 million naira. So why don't I want time my life for 1 year? So what happened to me last year gave me an eye opener. Last year I was supposed to do Access Bank branding. I work for Brandbill. Brandbill is an agency. We do fabrication, we do engineering services, we do printing, we do branding. We were one of the vendors that did the Access Bank branding, as you are seeing around. I did 50 branches, my company did 50 branches, and I traveled around the nation because of that. And that was the big project we did last year. So that just tell you what can happen to you if you are doing your own business. You may see somebody wearing tie. I don't wear tie because I mean I'm not a tie person, you know, but I know what I'm looking for. So open LinkedIn. If you're on LinkedIn, I'll show you my page now so you see. But for those of us that are for the first time, number one, you need an email address. It is safer to use your email address because Your phone may get missing. Something may happen, they may steal your phone, God forbid. But your phone line may get missing, you may change it and you will lose this account. But your email, even if something goes wrong, you can always retrieve your email. What LinkedIn does for you, it gives you automatic visibility. In other words, if I Google your name now, Mr. Kolade Jacob, I will see, Google will bring you out because you are on LinkedIn. So LinkedIn gives you automatic online presence. Being registered on LinkedIn or Facebook or any of the social media platforms gives you an automatic online presence and visibility. So, but why I like LinkedIn is because there's so many jobs there and opportunities that people miss. Let me give you an example. You are selling Aki Hausa, that's tiger nuts. So many companies are out there looking for people that can supply them tiger nuts. And they don't want to work with brokers. They want to work with the farmers or the end users directly. So the buyers are there looking for the sellers. But there's so many middlemen everywhere. And they don't want middlemen, they don't want to work with direct people one-on-one. For quality reasons, for contracts. So many people have received billions and millions of naira from Nestle just to plant wheat for them. Just to plant. They can imagine the company paying you in advance to plant for them because they want to meet the end users, the farmers. People are complaining, hey, there's no business. Chief Eater is looking for people that can give them poultry. They're looking for eggs. They're looking for things. But they're looking for the end users. But there's so many middlemen, so many people with collar and tie that don't have anything to show. So, this is my LinkedIn profile. LinkedIn profile, what it does for you is it's a compendium of your detail. This is me. This is my LinkedIn profile. It shows my name, William Edeta Smita, Creative Director, Brandville. So, see my profile. So, on this profile, on a weekly basis, there's what we call analytics. My name appears, there's a way I did a search engine for my name. My name appears on multinationals. Dell, Microsoft. I just targeted those multinationals so that whenever they're searching for a creative director, a graphic designer, a printer, or a brand engineer, my name will pop up. And this will be one of the first 3 or 4 names. So that's what happened. So you see, this shows you my picture. Last time when we were having the visibility class, for those of us that were there, I said something that you must have a good picture. Make sure you have a professionally taken passport as an identity. Now, what it does that is perception. If you see this picture, I may not be a rich person, but you know this person is a serious person. So you don't need to wear a new dress or wear singlet or wear native or put filler. No, this is a formal thing. So you have to look formal and corporate. If you are wearing native, wear native. If you are wearing English, wear English. And it has your details. Now, it shows you see, what I'm telling you about optimization. See, open to work, brand director, creative director, CEO, managing director. See all the details. I tag this thing with. Now, I provide, see. So if you are searching for this kind of names, my name will come out. What you do in LinkedIn is, now, services I provide. I design, industrial design, videography, visual, and the likes. There are so many other things I put there. So these are the things that will make people see. See, introduction of myself. A rare combo of a deep creative production expertise. I can do blah 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 blah. 20 years experience, blah blah blah. Rishi is there. Now, I said something about something. I said, see, 58 people have viewed my profile this week alone. 58 people have viewed my profile. Maybe some of them view them based on what I post, because every week I post something. So for you to have online visibility, you must post something a week. Something productive. Maybe a video or a content or something that will benefit your community, your niche. So I play in the advertising business, in the advertising sector. So I always put something that will benefit somebody every time. Now, it says my name appears on 16 times on appearances. That is, people are searching for something that related to me. My name appeared 16 times. The other week, my name appeared 80 times. This fluctuates on a weekly basis. This is what they give me. It's called the analytics, my dashboard. It tells me, see, private to you. This is what I have to know how I'm faring online. See the Banef online visibility we did. You see, it's posted on my platform, and all of that. Today, this morning, I posted something on the new month, August. I posted something this morning on the new month. Someone already reacted to it. Now, this shows you where I've worked before, my experiences, blah, 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 blah. So, this is a mobile CV. For those of us that are looking for a job, or some people are in entrepreneurship, but they may have some tempting offers. Like me, I left my company 2 times for a job. The first time I left my company was in 2014. I got a multinational job to work in P&G. I worked in P&G for 3 years. I left P&G, I went to Nigerian Breweries. I worked there for 1 year, and I said, I'm not working again for anybody. As I sat down to face my business, I got another call again. Now, these jobs I'm telling you about, I don't apply for them. This woman, a white woman, Chinese woman called me. GAC Motors. GAC Motors, I'm sure you've seen that cars everywhere now. We are the ones that started that campaign, to make it popular. You go to Lekki Axis, that's the billboard on Lekki, on that Lekki Phase 1 bridge. We did those adverts there. So, GAC wanted marketing in Nigeria. And what did they do? They needed people, and I was one of the guys. I was the graphic person there. But when I said there, 3 months after, I said no. I cannot work again. Let me come and face my business. Because when I left GAC and I got the diamond with the Access Bank deal, so do you now see what it means? So once you are online all the time, you find out that you have visibility. So what you need to do after this class, go to the LinkedIn, populate your LinkedIn. That's something you can do now. Take your time, populate it. Which school did you go to? Your university. Your grade. It's asking you questions that you're populating. So as many information you can give, and to be posted there. But make sure you have a good photograph. Make sure you do what? Have a good photograph. That perception matters. Some people who open an account, no image. If you open an account without an image and you send me a request, even if you are President Buhari, I will not answer you because I don't work with people I cannot see. Yes. I see you as a scammer. So I must see your face and know who you are. So for LinkedIn is very powerful for business and for career and for business. So if you're looking for a job or you have a young graduate that's looking for a job, tell the person, go to LinkedIn, populate your CV there, and you get a job from the right HR. HR people are there looking for people. They are there scouting for talent, but people are saying that there's no job. Whereas they are at the wrong place at the right time. And I pray that you will not be at the right place at the wrong time in Jesus' name.
Amen.
So please let us put ourselves together and make this happen. That's about LinkedIn. Another thing about helping your profile is follow the right target audience you want. For example, now I'm following Heineken because I work in Nigerian Breweries at the time. So I was following Heineken. Heineken has 1 million plus followers. I'm following a printing listing. I'm following Bill Gates. I'm following Airtel. I'm following printer people. I'm following Hawaii. So as many people you can follow. I have other people I'm following that are not here. So when they don't ask for your interest. Interest means what do you like? When we go to Pinterest, I'm sure the women will be interested in the Pinterest even more than this.
Yeah, it's for women.
Yes, don't worry.
Sure.
When we go to the Pinterest, I'm sure the women will be going. This one is for corporate businesses and formal people. You are doing a corporate person, proposal, looking for all those things. This is for you. So social media is segmented to different things, but there are businesses that are here and some jobs you can get. For example, some people got ministerial and state appointment from here. They will say a state, another person is looking for a woman that has experience in education, blah, blah, blah. They will not go to LinkedIn and look for a professional. And sometimes, most of the people that are on LinkedIn are people that are abroad. So they get the technocrats from LinkedIn and they invite them for interviews. Before you know what happened, they get this in. But if you profile yourself properly, social media has made it everybody on an equal level playing ground. I have an engineering background, but I'm dominating so much in the advertising space. You now see that difference? We have 2 types of WhatsApp, basic types of WhatsApp. The WhatsApp B, that's WhatsApp business, and the normal WhatsApp you have that everybody knows that has that phone sign. Now, most of us we use that phone sign WhatsApp. But today, I want you to go to Play Store and download WhatsApp Business. This is normal WhatsApp you know, but this is WhatsApp Business. WhatsApp Business is designed for small businesses. If you don't have it, go to Play Store and download. Type there WhatsApp Business. WhatsApp Business, what it does for you is simple. It is designed by WhatsApp for small businesses. It does three things for you. Number one thing it does for you is that it puts your business on the Google Map free of charge. It puts your business on the Google Map free of charge. So once you do this thing now and you set up a business page, you have automatic free advert on Google Map. Number two thing it does for you is that it has an inbuilt catalog. So that catalog and gives you opportunity to post different things that you are selling, whatever you are doing, you see it there. Number three, it helps you, it gives you auto response. So for example now, I'm in America and I want to do this with you. You know our time differences are different. So if I Google and find you out and go to and send you a WhatsApp message, because you're not there to respond, you say, hello sir, auto response, how are you? What can we do for you? Please give us your inquiries and we'll get back to you later. I'll show you how to do it here automatically. So it helps respond to requests when you are not around. So these are the three things WhatsApp Business will do for you. Number one, it puts you on the Google Map free of charge. Number two, it gives you a free e-catalog whereby you can put your goods and services on the platform. Number three, it gives you an auto response service whereby if you are not around, someone can just automatically respond for you and say, I'm not around, what do you want? I'll get back to you. So WhatsApp Business. So for you to be on the online space free of charge, two things you need to do for Google Maps. It's either you have a website or you have this WhatsApp Business. And I tell people that if you're a small business and you're starting for the first time, please, you do the website now. You know why? Website is like a car. From the first day you get a website, you start spending money. Spending money on what? You pay a developer or a programmer that will be helping you to manage it. You'll be changing content. You'll be doing this. You'll be doing that. You'll be optimizing the page and all of that. That's why in Brandbill, we have a product called Brandbill SME 101. Like what my last talked about now. We design for you your business profile or proposal, or people call it, that talks about all what you do, professionally designed, and it's on PDF platform whereby you can share to people on WhatsApp, on Facebook, via email, and whatever you want to do about it. So it helps you do your business. So many people want to buy maybe you're selling bags, for example, and you have like 50 bags. Some people may not be able to navigate your website to see all those bags around. But with that catalog, you just go, it's a straight way, you not be seeing it and the price. Seeing it and the price. And then you say, okay, go to page 5. I like that bag on the fourth box. How much is it last? You say, no, madam, let's say it is, I'll go pay. But that woman that would have bought it from you wouldn't have bought it because if she had gone to your website, she's not very internet savvy to go and start checking all those things. You say, I beg, stay one side. So for a small business, you need to start from that to build your content and your customer profiling. So that by the time you become very big, you can now go into e-commerce fully and have an e-commerce site whereby you can spend money, optimize. But for a startup, you don't start spending money when business never stands on two legs. So we have to see how we can do that. Online photography brought out our friend's listing. Look at his address here. Number 3, Adebayo Ojo Street. What show this? It's Lagos. Because he is on Google Business. In Google Business, he plotted his address there. And look at it now. So I was Googling for online rewarding photography. And it gave me immediately his details. Do you see how it works? Free of charge. I'm not paying any money. Free. that you are on Google, on WhatsApp business, automatically you are there. You see him here. Olayewaju photography. You see his address, see his phone number. Now, we are going to do something for Olayewaju today. We are going to do what we call Google review. Today, we are going to bless his business. What we're going to do is simple. We are going to write a review of his business. Now, open your phone. Type Google like this. Google.com. Type Olayewaju photography there. We are doing experiments now. Olayewaju photography. Just type it like this. I'll show you something now. Type it. So Google review is what we use to get people visibility to come up more. Now, Olayewaju photography is not up to 1 million yet. It's just 433,000 results. So we want to make Olayewaju come up. What you need to do is to review Olayewaju's business so that when he has more reviews, his visibility will be higher. So you too, as if your WhatsApp is working now, I'll do for you, you do for me, we do for ourselves, all of us have visibility.
As a photographer, what can I do to make the review come up?
I'll show you how to send review. You send review to your customers. But today, how many of us are here? All of us here now are going to give you a review, and your page is going to come up. That's what I want to do. I want to do practical stuff, not with my business, but with the own business. So you see it, and people will see what I'm saying. So have you Googled Olayewaju photography?
Yes.
Do you see the side of the page?
Yes.
Now, scroll down. You see what the head reviews. Can you see that place?
Yes.
Reviews. Now go to write a review. Click on write a review. Click on write a review. Click on write a review. Olayewaju does not have any review, but I'm going to give him a review. Pinterest is the last thing we're going to talk about. Please, attention, please. If you are into architecture, interior, fashion, beautician, all those kind of things, those are the things that they have very high traffic in Pinterest. So, if Pinterest has both the individual user and the business account. Now, I want the ladies to listen attentively. People that are really trending in Nigeria are people that are doing Ankara. All these Ankara styles, women, top fashion designers, they go to Pinterest and they have what we call pins. Pins are pictures. And we have what we call a board. A board is a collection of pins. Collection of pins means collection of pictures. So anything I like, I as a person, I had a Pinterest account for over 10 years now. But I don't use it because I was focusing on printing. So the area that I was using it for was for POSMs. POSMs means point of sale marketing. That is, if you go to ShopRite, for example, now. ShopRite will show you different displays. Pinterest is a creative platform that gives you ideas, home decor, how to do things with local things. Maybe, for example, these jeans now, you start tearing. Pinterest is showing under fashion how to make these jeans that is tearing to turn to a fashion trend. Pinterest is a creative place whereby you have both the pictures and the videos. So women mostly are the highest demography on Pinterest. And what they go there for is for fashion trends, even men too. If you're a person that are into fashion, kiddies, all kind of things, Pinterest is your best bet because a lot of people go to Pinterest to get ideas. So it's like an idea bank for both visual and audio. Sorry, both visual and picture trends you get from. So you have to know your area, your demography. Where do you stay? So if you are staying in Isolo or Lagos, wherever, try and capture things around your demography, around where you stay. Because if you have so many likes outside Lagos and they don't give you business, see, there are two types of people on social media. We have the entertainers, and those are there for to make money. So I may be an entertainer and I have 1 million likes, but no business, no money. But I keep going that every day. But me, I may be a small person. I only have 500 likes, but 500 200 likes will give me serious money. So sometimes don't get carried away by the numerous numbers of likes, millions of likes, but be carried away by the connection. So on the social media space, you work with 3 C's. Content, content. Number one, write it down, please. 3 C's. Number one, content. Number one, content. Number two, connection. The number 2 C is connection. And the last C there is credibility. See, if you miss any of these 3, you are finished. You must have content. That's why I say Ramachuku every day. You see him putting content every day like a madman. You think he knows what he's doing. Content is the engine room of any social media. If you don't have content, you are gone. People will not follow you again. So content, number one. Number 2, connections. Some people say, I don't know anybody. Who told you that? I can give you a guide to get you 500 people. Let me tell you why. Write it down. Very simple. Number 1, your cradle classmates, primary school classmates, primary school, secondary school classmates. That's a heavy contact base. Primary school, secondary school, university, educational contact. Very, very powerful. Your church circuits, your church or your religious circle, that's another powerful contact place. You can get build contacts. Where do you live? In your estates, in your community. You have to just write the names down. Don't not the names, write the names down. Apart from that one, where do you live? Where do you work? You work somewhere, you do business somewhere. Who are those people around you? You put them down. Now, those are the physical people that you can identify. Do you play tennis or do you join gymming? Or where do you find yourself in? Contact. And I want to say something about connection. You cannot be an island. You must connect with people. Connectivity is very, very key. Man is a social animal. So you have to connect. Now, when you build this content, you don't look for the virtual connections. These are industry leaders. Like me now in advertising. I look at the people that who are the big boys in the game. I see what they do. I follow them. And I keep saying it. Like if you want to play the Champions League, you must do what champions do. So I look at them. What is this big company doing? Every Salah now, for example, this Salah now. I gave out messages to all my Muslim fan clients. Baraka de Salah. That's what the big companies do. Banks do it. So you do what they do. You celebrate your people. When somebody's doing birthday, you celebrate the person. You know, quickly. If it's an anniversary, Nigerian independence, do an independence listing. Happy Independence Nigeria. Now, some of us will need the service of the graphic artist, and which is very, very key for your online space. You must have quality visual content. But I'm here to help you. Even though I know graphics, but you can start with Canva. Canva is a free site, www.canva.com. Canva.com. It's a free site designed for non-designers. There's a very powerful site that people don't know. It's called the online Photoshop. It's called Photopea. Let me show you what it looks like. It has all the features of Photoshop. In short, it's the simplest way of digital marketing. You know why? LinkedIn header has a dimension for you. Just put your variables. If you want to do Instagram, it has a square orientation. Everything is preloaded. Just edit and use. What did I say? Edit and use. Now, some of us may need to say, okay, how do I crop images? Maybe I want to crop an image from somewhere. Write it down. www.remove.bg. That site helps you to remove backgrounds from images. So in other words, I want to move this bag and put this bag and put this bag. I can bring 3 of these images together and put it on a single background and write, come and buy a bag. Now, I'm teaching you graphics free of charge because on a good day, this is what you take to a graphic artist to help you put together and do. But as a starter, since you don't have money to spend or so many high budgets, you can start with that. And when your company starts growing, you can now start using professional tools. Look at this. Photopea. It's an advanced image editor. Photopea. PEA.com. So as I was saying, I said look at it now. It's compatible with Photoshop. It's compatible with XD. XD is what we use for UI. I'm sorry, what's UI? UI is user interface, and UX is user experience. This is what they use to design your phone application. It's an application software, PDF, all of this. This is what's conforming. For example, look at this new project. social media, I come to social here. It has a place pre-designed already, page book cover. So some people when they're posting their page book cover, some images will cut off the head, cut off the bottom, all of this. If you come here, if you click on this thing now, it's pre-designed for you. All you do is just to edit these things, edit these items. For example, look at this now. Edit these items here. This is for photo, this is for Facebook. Instagram, look at Instagram here. YouTube is here. YouTube cover is here. Twitter is here. Everything here is pre-designed for you. So it helps you size your. You see this now? It helps you size this thing. You see that? Wanchuku is a good man. All I need to do is again carry the logo. Now I get my logo, I save it. I put the logo here and I save. So please look at this side. Just go and play with it. Very, very, very easy. Just go and play. Play with it. Because it's not something I cannot learn. No. Just go and play with it. Make your mistakes. You see it. Very, very user free. For example, now maybe I forgot my system at home and I go somewhere and need to do something. I come to this site. It helps me to do all of that. Another site you need for images is called Pixabay. www.pixabay, pixabay.com. Pixabay. Here you have free images. Pixabay, Pixabay. So another site you can go is Pixels. www.pexelx. Pixels. Pexels. www.pexels. So what Pinterest is all about is, I said earlier on, it's just a platform that keeps images and videos for the creative mind. So sometimes there's some things that you want to do in your house. You need the home decor, kitchen design, kiddies, curtains. You see trendy and updated ideas that can help you do your business. Especially women love this Pinterest so much because there are so many things that they tend to get their styles and trends and all of that from this platform. And it also helps you to move traffic to your site, because you can imagine now if I do a business that targets women. Let me give you an expo. My brother here is a photographer. COVID-19, people are not doing party, and I said I have an idea. Collaborate with a woman that is doing makeup and tell them that anybody that wants to do makeup will give the person makeup 5,000 naira with a photo shoot session of just 30 minutes. What does that do? That woman now has her own reach, her own contact that want to do makeup. But after doing my makeup, will my makeup be okay for me to use my phone to snap? No. I need a photographer that will help me snap that photo so that the photo will come out well. Now when I put it on Instagram, I'll look like a celebrity. So you partner with a makeup person. The person does the makeup. You do the shooting and you share the money. You can stay different categories, 5,000, 10,000, 20,000, depends on how you go do it. And at the end of the day, so you now go to Facebook and do an advert. Capture those people that do the adverts, their birthday from August 2nd till December. Capture them and start sending the adverts to them. Every woman wants to look good on her birthday, even though she cannot go out. So on her birthday, that morning or a day to that day, you want to do a photo shoot with the person. The makeup person will do the makeup and take the pictures. If you do that and say, okay, my target is 100 people. 100 times 5, how much is that? 500k. If you speak together with that woman, you're okay. And that's just a side business. It's not your full-time thing. Because it's not every day that people do birthday. True of course. So these are ideas where we can collaborate, because sometimes you have to collaborate with people. Look for people that are doing like business with you. Like
My question is, how, yes, on Facebook, I can go and check on their date of birth.
Yes.
How can I
On Pinterest, yes. Pinterest, once you get started there, you start liking people. So you too, about social media is that you must not be lazy in social media. You must be active by posting content. If you don't post content, nobody will follow you. Everybody goes to target to go and look at something. Now, so you don't put anything. I don't be able to go. Why should I follow you? But if I know that every day you are putting me a new picture, you are showing me a celebrity picture, you are showing that site, I can go that site every day. He has something to give us. Why are we following Vanep? Every day, Vanep has something to give you on radio. Vanep has something to offer to you. So the more offer you make, the more money you make. If you don't make any offer, you don't make any money. What did I say? The more offer you make, the more money you make. So you must make offer. Like me now, I'm doing an offer. I have an offer I'm doing. Whereby I tell you, if you want to do a new business, don't worry. I'll give you free logo. But what I'll do for you is I'll help you do your company profile or your company catalog. And you pay me 10,000 naira only. That's my own offer. So I'm offering something and I'm giving you something in free. I say, okay, don't worry. Come and take a free logo, but I'll give you this and you pay for that. And if I have 10 of that, that's okay for me. So you must offer something to get something. That's business. In business, you never get what you deserve. What did I say? You get what you negotiate. What did I say? You get what you negotiate in business. You never get what you deserve. Never. This guy is standing there now on a good day. If he was calculating his time, maybe his time is around 100,000 per hour. But he has come back to sit down for 1 hour. How much what you paying him? So you see, in business, you don't get what you deserve, but you get what you want, you negotiate. And the negotiation can come in different ways. It may be trade and barter, or it may be for, okay, give me this one, I will what, give this one in return. That's how it works. In conclusion, social media is all about content. Content, content, content. And please, you can never attract everybody. You can never, no matter how good you are. You have the demographics of attraction. So people on social media, their target is for 40 and above. There's a woman I know, she does facials to help women reduce wrinkles on their face. So what she does is, she has her own market, her own segment. She does facial treatments. So a young girl of 20, will that make sense to her? Or if you're a whiskey and you're dancing shaku shaku, and you now want one old woman in the village to follow you. So the demography is different. So you have to create your niche, build it organically, and God will help you. And please, online visibility is very, very key. Do as much as you can, post something on a daily basis or comment, or try and just make sure that you're building your gradually, and you get there. Thank you.